फुडले वेंचणुकेत जर गोंयांत आम आदमी पक्षाचें सरकार आयलो तर सरकार स्थापीत करून 48 वरां भितर गोंयांत विजेचे दर उणे करतले. तशेंच 200 युनिट मेरेन वीज वापरप्यांक शून्य बील येतलें म्हण दिल्लीचे आमदार राघव चड्डान सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
On one hand, I have the bills of the Kejriwal model of electricity. On the other hand, I have bills of the BJP model of electricity. In Kejriwal model of electricity, you get free electricity and 24/7 electricity without any interruption. In BJP model of electricity, you get expensive electricity. You are fleeced, you are robbed, and on top of it, you do not even get proper supply of electricity. Now I wish to make a very important announcement today. A very, very categorical announcement. When the Aam Aadmi Party forms a government in Goa, when the Aam Aadmi Party wins the upcoming elections, the state elections of Goa, within 48 hours, we will ensure that every consumer who consumes up to 200 units of electricity pays no money for consumption. That is, his bill becomes zero. And every consumer who consumes electricity between 200 units up to 400 units, his bill will be reduced by 50%. That is, the bill will be halved. I am making a very, very important announcement today. And let me tell you, 73% of Goa's consumers, 73% of Goa's population consumes up to 200 units of electricity every month. That means 73% of Goans will get zero electricity bill when the Aam Aadmi Party government is formed in the next state election. And this decision will be taken within 48 hours of forming the government. I give you my word, I make a categorical promise to the people of Goa. 73% Goans consume up to 200 units of electricity. And another 20% Goans consume electricity between 200 units to 400 units. These 20% consumers of Goa, these 20% Goans who consume between 200 and 400 units will get their bills reduced by 50%. Their bills will be halved. That means 73% plus 20%. 93% is the sum. 93% of the people of Goa will benefit within 48 hours of the Aam Aadmi Party government in Goa, and this decision will be taken. I am making a very categorical promise, a categorical announcement before the people of Goa.